Hi everyone, in this session we'll see how to download and install TextPaint. So first open your browser and then search TextPaint. Click on TextPaint. And now you can see a download option here. Click on download. Now you can see all the versions for all the operating systems. Now if you are Windows, select Windows. So you can see TextPaint and TextPaint config. Select on the file. Now you can see that your download will start shortly. Now your file will be automatically downloaded. Yes, it has started downloading. It has finished downloading. So you have to go to your downloads in your My Computer. Go to downloads. And then search for your downloaded file, that is TextPaint installer. And then click on it. Now you'll see a window to select language. Click on English OK. And then click on I accept the agreement option. And then click on next. All users, next. 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 And if you want to create a shortcut, next. And then install. Now your file will be installed. So it's finished. Click on finish option. Now you can see an icon in the desktop, TextPaint icon. So this is TextPaint config. You can quit it. You can see an icon in the desktop as TextPaint. Click on it. Now TextPaint is loading. So here is a screen where you can draw, color, up to creativity. Hope you all understood. Thank you.